Guys, I'm homesick right now, so my throat is a bit, like, messed up and stuff. Uh-oh, that's not good. So yeah, sorry about my voice, but, I just wanted to let you know, guys, my channel, I don't know what happened. I think it exploded or something. One sec. Gotta drink your water. I don't know, because this video has 12 likes. And I somehow magically got 28 subscribers. That's like 4 subscribers in like a day. I don't know how that happened. It's crazy though. What even is going on? 12 likes? That is insane. Thanks.